So dear all, this video I am making with one heavy heart. Engineers in India, what is their preference? Like in IITs, NITs and Andhra Telangana region, most of the brilliant students, they go for MS program in US, Europe, Australia, foreign countries, so that after MS and PhD they can settle there. There is a first category of students. Now second category of students are basically they look for, because they love their motherland very much, Of course the first category people also loves, but their preference is different. We call it a brain drain, especially in those who are in government, they call it brain drain. Now the second category of student, they want to serve motherland directly. So initially there was an option that gazetted post group A services through engineering services, mostly the railways. Railways are a very reputed job in India, and group A services used to be recruited through engineering services exam. That was the second category. Third category is through GATE exam, they want to settle in some public sector jobs, BARC, ISRO. That's the third category of students. Fourth category of students, they choose for software jobs. Presently there is a software boom, so mostly people go for software jobs in India. So there are four categories. Now what exactly happened that last 2 years, initially government removed the railway jobs from engineering services. It's a technical job. Previously 50% job used to come from civil services like Indian Railway Traffic Services, Indian Railway Account Services, but there are some technical jobs used to come through engineering services. But now suddenly the gazette came and notification came that all the IRMS, Indian Railway Management Service, they clubbed everything, and this exams, the recruitment will be through civil services. Now I have a big question to government. Suppose there is a head of organization, technical organization headed by a non-tech man, will it work? I have personal experience in my life that when the technical things are headed by a non-tech man, it's a disaster. It's a really disaster. So we call it Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are propagating. It's a good thing. We should be Atmanirbhar Bharat, make in India, made in India. But the decision-making person is a non-technical man. How the Atmanirbhar Bharat dreams will be accomplished? Is it possible? Suppose if I said there is a backside, there is a press. Okay, na? Now it's a deep drawing press. Suppose a non-tech person, if I say how it works, I want to modify it, whether he will be able to take any decision? And the railway is full of technicality, civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical, communication, all the engineers are required. But suddenly some arts person comes, then whether he will be in a position to evaluate the things properly? I am not saying that art person are bad, they are also brilliant. But we have to select a capable person for the right job. Doesn't mean that we will be uniform, you make it uniform. So I'm really shocked. The policymakers, how so much blunder they can do. Head of a such a technical organization is a non-tech man. Atmanirbhar Bharat, the dream cannot be accomplished by that way. So I have suggestion to government, if at all they are hearing my voice, that similar to Indian Forest Services examination, IFS examinations there, prelim is same, civil services and IFS prelim is same, but mains exam is different because they have certain criteria that has to be fulfilled, those examinations, only then you will be placed in IFS, Indian Forest Services. So similarly IRMS, prelims can be same, we don't mind, prelims can be same, but the mains should be from the technical subject. The people, those who are selected from this exam should be technical man. Of course there will be management skills, but primarily technical. And the student community, they are also in the deep shock. What is exactly happening? Previously something else, now engineers are being targeted. So I have humble request to government to kindly look into the matter for the benefit of all the engineering students, those who are staying in India, they want to serve their motherland. Please look at them and take care of them. So IRMS, if at all you want to club, there can be a uniform prelims exam, but in the mains there should be a separate exam similar to IFS. That is my opinion. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.